Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are excited to talk about the Mr. Cool DIY mini split system. If you're considering installing a mini split system in your home, you've come to the right place. In this video, we will discuss the features, pros and cons of the Mr. Cool DIY mini split and provide a step-by-step guide on how to install it yourself. The Mr. Cool DIY mini split is a revolutionary air conditioning and heating system that is designed to offer homeowners an easy and efficient solution for their HVAC needs. Unlike traditional systems that often require professional installation and complex setup, the Mr. Cool DIY mini split is specifically designed to be installed by the homeowner, eliminating the need for expensive contractor fees and lengthy installation processes. Ease of installation. One of the standout features of the Mr. Cool DIY mini split is its user-friendly installation process. The system comes with pre-charged quick connect lines, which means you don't have to handle refrigerants, a task typically requiring professional certification. The components are designed to fit together seamlessly, and the comprehensive installation guide walks you through each step, ensuring that even those with minimal DIY experience can successfully install the unit. All in one package, the Mr. Cool DIY mini split system is packaged with everything you need for installation. This includes the indoor air handler, outdoor condenser, remote control, and the necessary installation kit, which contains mounting hardware, electrical wiring, and pre-charged refrigerant lines. This all-in-one package approach means you won't have to make multiple trips to the hardware store or purchase additional components separately. Energy efficiency and performance. Energy efficiency is a key consideration for many homeowners, and the Mr. Cool DIY mini split delivers on this front. It boasts a high SEER, seasonal energy efficiency ratio, rating, which means it operates efficiently and can help lower your energy bills. The system is designed to provide powerful cooling and heating performance, ensuring your home remains comfortable year-round. Versatility and flexibility. The Mr. Cool DIY mini split is versatile and can be installed in various settings, from single rooms to whole house applications. Whether you need to cool a small bedroom, an office, or a larger living area, there are different capacity models to suit your needs. Additionally, the sleek and modern design of the indoor unit blends well with most interior decors, offering a visually appealing solution that doesn't compromise on performance. Advanced features. This system includes several advanced features aimed at enhancing user convenience and comfort. Remote control access allows for easy temperature adjustments from anywhere in the room. Some models are compatible with smart home systems, enabling you to control the unit via smartphone apps or through voice commands with devices like Amazon Alexa or Google Home. The system also operates quietly, making it suitable for noise-sensitive environments such as bedrooms or home offices. Environmental considerations. In addition to its energy efficiency, the Mr. Cool DIY mini split uses environmentally friendly refrigerants, which have a lower impact on the ozone layer compared to older systems. This makes it a more sustainable choice for eco-conscious homeowners looking to reduce their environmental footprint. Cost-effective solution. While the initial cost of the Mr. Cool DIY mini split may be higher than some other HVAC options, the long-term savings on energy bills and installation costs can make it a more economical choice in the long run. The ease of maintenance and the potential for fewer repair costs further contribute to its cost-effectiveness. The Mr. Cool DIY mini split offers a comprehensive, efficient, and user-friendly solution for home heating and cooling needs. Its combination of ease of installation, energy efficiency, advanced features, and versatile applications make it a compelling option for homeowners looking to enhance their home comfort without the hassle of traditional HVAC installations. Features of Mr. Cool DIY mini split. The Mr. Cool DIY mini split offers a range of features including quick and easy installation process, no need for special tools or training, energy efficient operation, remote control access for convenient temperature adjustments, quiet and powerful performance, sleek and modern design. 1. Ease of installation. The Mr. Cool DIY mini split stands out for its straightforward installation process. It is designed so that most homeowners can install it without the need for professional help, saving you potentially hundreds of dollars on installation fees. The system includes pre-charged lines, eliminating the need for refrigerant handling, which is a major plus for DIY enthusiasts. 2. Energy efficiency. This unit is highly energy efficient, which is reflected in its SEER, Seasonal Energy Efficiency Ratio, rating. A high SEER rating means better energy efficiency and lower utility bills. The energy efficiency can result in significant cost savings over time, making it an environmentally friendly and economical choice. 3. Convenience. The remote control access allows you to adjust the temperature and settings from anywhere in your home, adding a layer of convenience and comfort. Many models are compatible with smart home systems, enabling you to control the unit via smartphone apps or voice commands through devices like Amazon Alexa or Google Home. 4. Quiet operation. One of the highlights of the Mr. Cool DIY Mini Split is its quiet operation. The indoor units operate at a low noise level, making them ideal for bedrooms, offices, or any quiet spaces where noise could be a distraction. This feature ensures that your comfort isn't disturbed by loud operational noises, enhancing the overall living experience. 5. Modern design. The unit boasts a sleek and modern design that can blend seamlessly into most home decors. It doesn't take up much space and can be installed discreetly on walls or ceilings. Its aesthetically pleasing design adds a touch of modernity to your home without compromising on functionality. 1. Initial cost. The upfront cost of the Mr. Cool DIY Mini Split can be higher than other mini split systems or traditional air conditioning units. While it offers long-term savings through energy efficiency, the initial investment might be a barrier for some homeowners. Additionally, if you need multiple units to cover a larger home, the cost can add up quickly. 2. Installation complexity for some. Despite being marketed as a DIY-friendly unit, the installation process can still be challenging for some homeowners, particularly those who are not handy or lack basic home improvement skills. Issues such as drilling through walls for refrigerant lines and ensuring proper electrical connections might require professional help, adding to the overall cost. 3. Maintenance. Regular maintenance is required to keep the system running efficiently. This includes cleaning the filters, checking the refrigerant levels, and ensuring the outdoor unit is free from debris. Homeowners who are not diligent with maintenance might find the performance of the unit declining over time, potentially leading to costly repairs. 4. Cooling, heating limitations. The cooling and heating capacity of a single Mr. Cool DIY Mini Split unit might not be sufficient for larger homes or multiple rooms. For effective temperature control throughout the house, additional units might be necessary, which can be costly. This can limit its effectiveness in homes with large open floor plans or multiple levels unless you are willing to invest in multiple units. 1. Preparation. Gather all the necessary tools and materials, including a drill, screwdriver, and mounting brackets. 2. Location. Selection. Choose the best location for the indoor and outdoor units, ensuring proper spacing and access to electrical outlets. 3. Drilling holes. Drill holes for the refrigerant lines, drain line, and electrical wiring. 4. Mounting the units. Install the mounting brackets for the indoor unit and secure it to the wall. Then mount the outdoor unit on a stable surface. 5. Connecting the lines. Connect the refrigerant lines, drain line, and electrical wiring between the indoor and outdoor units. 6. Testing. Power on the unit and test the system to ensure it is working properly. 7. Final checks. Make any necessary adjustments and ensure that the system is running smoothly. And there you have it, a complete guide to installing the Mr. Cool DIY Mini Split system in your home, along with some honest pros and cons to help you decide if this is the right choice for you. With its easy installation process and advanced features, this mini split system is a great option for homeowners looking to upgrade their comfort level. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more HVAC tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or would like to share your experience with the Mr. Cool DIY Mini Split, feel free to leave a comment down below. Stay cool and comfortable.